Mapanna Mallikarjun Kharge, born 21 July 1942, is an Indian politician, who is the 98th and current President of the Indian National Congress, and Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha from Karnataka since 16 February 2021. He became the first person outside the Nehru-Gandhi family to be the president of the party after 24 years. He was also leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha from 16 February 2021 to 1 October 2022. He was the former Minister of Railways and Minister of Labour and Employment in the Government of India. Kharge was a Member of Parliament for Gulbarga, Karnataka during 2009 to 2019. He is a senior Karnataka politician and was the leader of opposition in the Karnataka Legislative Assembly. He was the president of Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee during the 2008 Karnataka State Assembly Elections. He has won elections a record 10 consecutive times, having won the Assembly elections an unprecedented 9 consecutive times. 1972, 1978, 1983, 1985, 1989, 1994, 1999, 2004, 2008, 2009. Mallikarjun Kharge was the leader of the Congress party in Lok Sabha during 2014 to 2019. He defeated Shashi Tharoor in the 2022 Indian National Congress presidential election.